Pamela Hughes here with my friend Rick Trinkle, GM at Larry H. Miller Hyundai Peoria. And you know what, Rick? You and I, we were just talking about how little time families spend together these days.
Yes, Hyundai just did a study and found out that most families only spend about 2 hours a week together.
Okay, most of that sounds like it would happen in a car.
You bet. Work, school, shuffling to soccer. We want to make that a great experience for your family.
You know, as a parent, when the whole family is together, you want them to be safe and protected.
That's why we're so excited to introduce you to some of the new features on the 2019 Santa Fe. And Pamela, you're not going to find these features on any other vehicle, especially the rear occupant alert. When you turn off the car, there's a sensor that will let you know if there is a child or a dog in the back seat. And if you don't get them, it will send an alert to your phone.
Okay, that is a game changer, especially right here in Arizona. All with the 100,000-mile warranty with Hyundai Assurance. Larry H. Miller Hyundai Peoria is ready to put you in the driver's seat. LarryMillerHyundai.com. That's LarryMillerHyundai.com.